Imagine walking into a home that recognizes your voice, knows your habits better than you do, adjusts every setting to match your mood before you even speak, brews your perfect coffee as the blinds lift to greet the sun, dims the lights as your playlist fades in, and learns with every gesture. That's not a sci-fi fantasy anymore. That's what I set out to build when I asked one simple question. What if I let AI design my entire smart home from scratch? No blueprints. No interior designer. Just pure generative intelligence, predictive modeling, real-time optimization, and self-adjusting automation, all run by a custom AI system that I trained, tested, and lived with for 30 days. Today on Tech Wave 65, we're diving into how AI took over every single detail, from lighting layouts to furniture placement, airflow control to security protocols, smart mirror responses to predictive thermostat settings, and turned my chaotic, disconnected devices into a living, learning, thinking smart home ecosystem. I started with nothing but a blank floor plan, a list of devices, and a prompt to ChatGPT 4o. Design me the perfect AI-powered smart home experience that feels invisible, personalized, energy efficient, voice controlled, and aesthetically clean. One that gets smarter every day I live in it. The AI replied with an architectural breakdown by room, giving me zone-based automation concepts for sleep, focus, leisure, hygiene, and social energy, each with their own device stack, ambient intelligence rules, and sensory feedback loop. For the bedroom, it suggested circadian lighting synced to weather and sleep history, blackout shades on a motorized timer, dual-mode smart mattress temperature zones using 8 sleep, and wake-up automation triggered by sleep phase detection via my Apple Watch and Withings sleep pad. For the kitchen, it suggested voice recipe walkthroughs using a wall-mounted Echo Show 15, inventory detection using smart shelf sensors and AI vision from a Google Nest Cam pointed at the pantry, AI planned grocery delivery via Instacart API, and even predictive dishwasher cycles based on how many times I opened the fridge that day. The living room? That became the brain, an AI-powered control center built into my Samsung Frame TV, running a custom home assistant dashboard styled by Midjourney-generated UI and controlled by natural language using GPT-4o's local server integration, giving me full conversational command over everything in my house. Dim lights 30% in the back half of the room. Turn off screen glare using blinds tilt angle. Start the calming routine for guests. Record audio from the corner mic if sound exceeds 75 decibels. Run the air quality report and optimize. The AI executed every command and even improved the flows when it noticed friction. It used motion sensors in the hallway to predict foot traffic and adjusted the HVAC so rooms weren't overcooled or heated unnecessarily. It used real-time weather APIs to change lighting color temp. It even learned that when I opened the fridge after 11 p.m., I wanted chilled water, not snack alerts, so it stopped blinking the pantry light and started playing lo-fi music instead. And here's the kicker. None of this was hard-coded. It was designed using a recursive feedback loop. I'd live a normal day, the system would track input-output signals, and at 3 a.m. every night it ran a fine-tuned review of usage data and made micro-adjustments, sometimes hundreds of them, to lighting preferences, appliance routines, and suggested energy-saving scenes. I planned the home, but also evolved it. The bathroom setup used humidity sensors and AI to activate ventilation only when needed, conserving power. The mirror was connected to Apple Health and showed contextual overlays, weather, reminders, biometrics, based on time of day and detected mood via facial micro-expressions. Yes, mood detection. Through a Raspberry Pi plus RealSense camera stack, I fed emotion analysis to the AI, which helped decide whether to suggest upbeat music, trigger a breathing exercise, or just stay silent. The smart desk in my office was a productivity beast. I scheduled my day using Reclaim.ai and synced with Google Calendar, Notion, Slack, and YouTube. It adjusted monitor brightness based on ambient light, set focus music when I opened Final Cut, and auto-muted smart speakers if I joined a Zoom call. It even paused home routines during deep work windows. I gave it full autonomy and it handled 84% of my admin tasks, from scheduling to script drafts. The AI also managed my devices, firmware updates, diagnostics, battery optimization, and backups. When the power went out once, it executed a critical home down protocol, stored essential state data, cut off unnecessary outlets, and sent me a full recovery plan, all without me lifting a finger. The entryway was designed by AI to act like a smart airlock. RFID entry via Apple Watch Ultra, facial ID backup, smart shoe mat with dehumidifier and UV cleaning, package bin with delivery detection, and context-aware greeting messages through a hidden Sonos speaker, which adjusted based on guest identity, known via iPhone nearby, or delivery drop-off. The AI also handled energy optimization like a pro, analyzing peak usage hours and shifting laundry or EV charging to cheaper times. It even negotiated my energy rates with my provider via API-linked bots. My bills dropped 19% that month. But the best part? The AI anticipated my needs before I did. One night, I was filming and forgot to hydrate. The AI detected increased voice strain, saw no kitchen activity, and sent a friendly Siri HomePod voice. "Would you like me to chill a bottle of water for you?" When I said yes, it turned on the fridge boost mode and lit a path to the kitchen. I didn't even know I was thirsty. That's what real intelligence looks like. But let's get real, this wasn't all sunshine. There were bugs. Early on, the AI misread a calendar sync and triggered a "do not disturb" mode during a live podcast. Another time, facial detection mistook a visitor's expression for anxiety and started playing spa music in the living room. I learned quickly that AI design needs limits. I implemented safety triggers, manual overrides, and audit trails. Every command was logged. If the AI made a change I didn't approve, I could rewind it instantly. I added a human-in-the-loop filter for security systems, purchases, and sensitive routines. The AI didn't get full control, just trained trust. That's the sweet spot. By week 4, my home ran smoother, used 22% less power, and felt like an extension of me. Not a smart home, but a sentient one. And this wasn't $100,000 in custom installs. Most of it was off-the-shelf smart tech layered with open-source platforms and AI workflows. That's the point. The real intelligence isn't in the gadgets. It's in how you train the AI to coordinate them. Your home isn't smart because you bought smart bulbs. It's smart because it adapts to you. So now I ask you, would you let AI design your home? Or are you still programming every light scene manually? Because once you experience what it's like to live in a space that learns you, going back feels like stepping into the past. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.